How's it going, everybody? Today we have a core workout for beginners that will really help you strengthen your core and build up those abdominal muscles.
All right, so first off, we have our supine crunch. As you can see here, you're going to be laying in that supine position, so legs straight out, back on the ground. Here we're really focusing on those top two abdominal muscles. Really just focus on getting those shoulder blades off the ground, and you should be feeling a tight contraction. Up next, we have our reverse crunch. Looks like you're going to be going into a normal crunch. Obviously, though, you are going to be moving those knees towards the chest. It is going to be targeting those lower abs. I'm going to recommend doing sets of 12 here and ideally 3 sets. Next we have our knees to chest exercise. Similar muscles are going to be worked as the reverse crunch. However, you are going to be going in that supine position to start. Same thing, going to be shooting for 3 sets of 12 here. And then we have our mountain climbers. Here, I would like you to focus on feeling contraction, not focus on the speed. So we are going to be doing 3 sets of 20, so 10 per side. And last but certainly not least, we have our plank. Obviously pretty boring to watch, but here, if you notice, we have that pelvic tilt going on and we have a flat back, really focusing on engaging that whole core.